Trees are not just beautiful elements of our landscapes, they are vital contributors to the health of our environment and communities. Trees play a critical role in producing oxygen through photosynthesis and act as natural climate regulators through the shade they provide. Trees serve as habitats for numerous animals, providing shelter, food, and nesting sites. Tree canopies intercept rainfall, reducing stormwater runoff and the associated risks of flooding and erosion. Sick trees spread disease and parasites, or damaged trees encourage rot and pose a safety risk. We at Buck Outdoors understand the vital role trees play to our water system and environment. That's why we team up with reputable tree care services. Arbor Flora provides comprehensive tree maintenance, establishing plans to encourage tree health. Premier Tree Care ensures safe and efficient tree removal, prioritizing safety while considering the aesthetic impact. By engaging reputable tree care services, we ensure the longevity of our green guardians and preserve the beauty and ecological balance they bring to our surroundings.